Hi everyone, family friends, welcome to Becky TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a skin light juice known as carrot juice. Drink this every 2 days as you like, every day, every morning, every 2 days in a week. And your body will never remain the same. Your skin will glow and begin to shine. Guys, you will love it. Just try it, guys. Wow, carrot juice is ready. Ready to serve. So guys, if you love what I sing, you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Help us now to reach that 1,000 subscriber. Thank you. And don't forget to share and like my video. Thank you so much. You guys are wonderful and have a nice weekend ahead of you guys. Okay, see you in my next one. Love you all. Bye.